Hey everyone, if you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, we are at Ikea. I'm so excited because I'm gonna go hunt and see if I can find the new Christmas items they have out. Typically, they have what they call like a winter collection each year, so I'm gonna go see what I can find because I always like to pick up a few things for Christmas each year. So come in with me and we'll see what we can find. Did you guys know that Ikea has some awesome stuff for Christmas? Let's go look and see what they have out right now. I can't wait to show you. Ikea likes to get you right at the checkout. I'm loving these little displays that they've been putting together. They're really cute. Look at how adorable those lights are. Ikea has like really traditional ornaments and they're pretty inexpensive. Ooh, look at these. These are these glass? Yeah, these are glass, $7.99. And those are really cute. They also have them in blue. Those are great. Now, they would never work in my house because I have like animals and children. Ooh, what's this? Are those, oh, they're like little flat ornaments. Those are cool. Oh, this is what they look like. I like those. They're like little ceramic ornaments. I love how they break it up by colors depending on what you're going for. These little throws are great at Christmas. You can put them like on your couch, you can put them under your chair, and they're $29.99. Now, I usually like to get a few of these larger packs of ornaments. They have 32 for $14.99, which is a great deal. So if they have your colors, I definitely think this is a good place to stock up on ornaments. Also, their candles are always such a good deal. I'm actually a fan of the unscented, so they have their larger one is $3.99 and their smaller one is just $2.99. You can also pick them up in red. All right, these little red lanterns are adorable. They are $3.99, so cute. And then you can get a pack of 100 tea lights to put in them. Those are $3.49. So the one thing I get every year is my wrapping paper from Ikea. I think they have some great deals, so let me show you. So their 3-pack is $4.99. And I love these. Probably gonna get one of those. And there's a cute star pattern. One thing they do that I really appreciate, now they're kind of coming apart, is I like that they have wrapped these up here so you can see what they look like. Like, how beautiful is this paper? But you necessarily wouldn't grab for that in the roll. So I like how they go ahead and put them together for you. These are like really cute. I'll just show you up here. These are a nice, like vintage looking wrapping paper, both of those. And they kind of feel, they're not the shiny kind of paper. They also have some really nice like gift bags if you're more into that. Ooh, these are, oh my goodness, these are so cute. Look, they have like for each, it looks like, so you could do like a gift each day. Those are really cute. maybe instead of like an advent calendar, you could do that. Those are, it looks like $10. I love that idea. Oh, I love these gift bags too. So let's see how much these gift bags are. This set, so you get 2 for $2.99. All right, so I love getting like this twine. They have this for $3.99. I love twine like this. The burlap's $2.99. That's not a very good deal. I probably wouldn't get that. This gray one's a pretty good deal. I'm probably gonna grab some of the gray twine, and then I'm also gonna get some of this red and white. Maybe I'll get this one. That one's cute too. What do you guys think? Would you do red and white or red and burlap? Okay, so here is all the red ornament section. This is one of like the big containers you can get for $14.99 and you get 32. Okay, so they have these cute little trees for $2.99. Very cute. And then it looks like they have some miniature trees as well. Let's see, you get a set of 3 for, how much are these? $2.99. That's a good deal. That's like the price. Well, actually they'd be a little cheaper at Dollar Tree, but you do get a larger one in here. So I will probably pick up a set of these. Love that Ikea does is they put out a bunch of baking stuff that's holiday theme. So like these cute little jars are $1.99. They always have some cute cookie cutters. They usually have these, which are perfect. They're like little snowflakes. And then you can get little baking papers. That's quite a few. For those are $1.99, you get 65. This is a cute, that is so cute. Look at this placemat, you guys. This is $1. I think I could make like a cute sign with that. That would be so cute. Sorry, I'm saying cute too much. I get that in my videos. They have these gorgeous glasses for $3.99. They would look so great on your Christmas table. And then these tins are $3.99. It's kind of like an old deep red vintagey collection look. These would be great for Christmas cookies. This is $4.99. I'm loving all this stuff. As far as linens go, they have this table runner for $4.99. They have some red placemats. This looks, that looks more like Valentine's Day to me. Maybe it's like a whole winter thing, but you can also grab like paper napkins if you want to do that as well. And then there are some more cookie tins. And then they have these little light up things. This house right here is cute. That's only $19.99. And they have several of these options as well. All right, this is where I always get in trouble with trees. I have way too many trees. Okay, it's saying that this tree is $29.99. I'm not sure exactly which one that is because there's 3 different options. And they have this little light up Christmas tree for $14.99. I really like that star back there. I mean, if you're into like hanging lights like that, these are really cool. Okay, so these are some of my favorite things. I'm so glad they have them back this year. This tree right here is $14.99 and it looks so adorable in these little containers. Let me show you. So you get one of these and then the little buckets. How much are the buckets? Oh, the buckets are $5. I would probably make that higher. You could put something under that. You could definitely put something under that to make that higher. But those are super cute for Christmas. Another option, they have these trees that are a little bit bigger. These are $24.99. And I mean, I don't know, I would probably love them to be more at 20, but those are super nice. And then the really inexpensive option are these little mini, oh my gosh, look at these guys. These little mini trees are $1.99. They would look so cute in like a grouping of 3. Let me show you. Like how cute do those look in a grouping of 3? Or like maybe on your mantle, maybe if you had them put in with your greenery as well, that would be really cute. They also have these wreaths, which to me, they are not very Christmassy, but for $17.99, that would be a great year-round wreath. But if you wanted to use it for Christmas, you could always use it on like your windows, you know, when you see like a bunch of trees lined up, maybe do like a red ribbon or like something really cute on it. That would be a great option as well.
I hope you had fun walking the aisles with me, looking at the new Christmas items. If you're new here, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. It really helps me out. And if you missed our last video, I'll link it here for you, and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.